Hi, welcome to our home. Today we're going to do the laundry, dishes, deep clean part of the kitchen, and then vacuum and mop part of the floors. Why don't you come on and join me? We're going to start off with getting the laundry and taking it to the laundry room. We don't really sort most of our laundry, we just kind of dump it all in there. Not everything goes into the dryer, but everything can go into the washer at the same time. And then I use the Pure C laundry detergent. Next we're going to move on to the kitchen. It's a bit of a mess today. I'm going to start with generally putting things about where they need to go, and then eating a piece of chocolate. Because why not? I laid these receipts out so I can scan them into my Fetch app, but I was using my phone to record, so I couldn't really do that. I'm going to link my code in the description for the Fetch app if you don't already have it. I've made probably about $100 so far just scanning the receipts and getting points. If you use my code to sign up, you automatically get some free points. Next, we're going to clean off the countertops and wipe them down with the Pure C all-purpose cleaner. I'm using a microfiber cloth to wipe it down with, and then following it up with the E-cloth glass and polishing cloth to get it really shiny and streak-free. So we'll put everything back and do the same thing on the other side. I'm also going to hit the stove really quick. It's not bad, so it won't take long. My soap dispensers were looking a little rough, so I wiped those down too. I'm extremely thankful that I have a husband that likes to help me with these things. Teamwork makes the dream work. Next, we're going to unload the dishwasher. Then we're going to swap some laundry over from the washer to the dryer. Now that all the dishes are out, time to put more back in. As always, wash and shine the sink. Then the hubby's gonna vacuum the floors. This is the fog of privacy to help protect my toddler. Hubby went to go play with the toddler, so I finished up the vacuuming and then got out the Swiffer mop. I like to use this one to hit some trouble spots or just general cleanup in between big mops. Now it's time to put the laundry away. If you'd like to be notified for more cleaning motivation videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. I post new cleaning videos weekly. For a little more cleaning motivation, click the video on the left, and for a lot more cleaning motivation, click the playlist on the right. Bye!